Hi all, this is Dr. Manjunath Chennapgod from Anveshana Academy, Bangalore, India. Need a job? Try this formula, 100% you will get results. One formula, guaranteed work. People need jobs for many reasons, not just income. Jobs provide individuals with financial independence, opportunities for personal growth, social integration, enhanced skills, and ability to contribute to society. To get a job, let's prepare a good resume. A well-crafted resume is your first impression, your personal marketing document, and your key unlocking career opportunities. It's more than just a list of your past jobs. It's a strategic presentation of your skills, experience, and accomplishments. It's tailored to capture the attention of recruiters and hiring managers. Why to prefer a good resume? Yes, there are some answers for this question. A good resume will help to get an interview. It will help us to demonstrate our qualification. A good resume is going to highlight our achievements towards to the employers, and the good resume will help us to facilitate the interview process, and a good resume will help us to clear the ATS compatibility during interview process. Next, is there any benefits of well-crafted resume? Yes, there are n number. Some are listed here. A well-crafted resume will helps to increase the interview opportunities, and it will provide the high salary jobs, and it will help us to get the jobs in faster way, and a well-crafted resume will help in our career advancement, and also the well-crafted resume will help us to increase our confidence. What is ATS screening process? ATS means applicants tracking system. It's a software solution most of the companies they're using during the interview process to select efficient profiles for their particular job roles. What ATS is going to do? Here are some steps. It is going to match the keywords of your resume. Then it is going to extract the technical skills from your resume, and also it is going to check the education and experience of your work, and also it is going to check the location of you in that particular area, and also it is going to customize the screening questions. Use some custom questions to assess basic qualification. Yes, do you want to clear this ATS screening process easily? Yes, there are some tips for clearing the ATS screening process. First one, tailor resume. Customize resume with job specific words. Use a right format and proofread carefully to avoid the negative impact. What recruiter evaluation process does? They are going to do phone calling, that we can call it as a phone screening, to check your communication skills, and also if your skill sets or if your qualifications or if they got something else on you, they will put a red blocks, and they are going to check your skills and qualification and certification. Then they are going to check your job history. If required, they will call reviewers and they will review your resume in detail for the particular position. Let's come. What are the important steps are there to create a effective resume? Yes, steps for crafting the effective resume. First step, format selection. Second one, essential information, tailoring to job, action, verbs. Oof. Then you have to do proofreading. Then you have to make concise your resume. Then resume should be in professional design, and once the resume is done, it should be in PDF format. If it's done, you need to take the feedback on your prepared resume. Let's start with first step, that is resume format selection. You have to choose a right format selection, and it should be readable, and it should be visual appeal, and it should be chronological. I mean, it should have a work experience in reverse order, and it should be functional, and it has to emphasize skills and abilities to the employers, and it should have a combination of skills and experience in your resume. Here are some formats for your reference, that is format 1, format 2, format 3, format 4, format 5, format 6, format 7, and format 8, etc. Yes, we'll move towards next step, that is essential informations. You have to put your detailed contact informations in the CV so that employers can contact you easily. Don't forget to put your brief summary into the brief summary or objective in your resume. And also you have to showcase your work experience in the resume in detail. And also you don't forget to put your educational details in the resume. If possible, try to put a copy of certification too. And also you have to highlight the technical skill and interpersonal level abilities in the resume. Third step, tailoring your resume. Use some keywords so that ATS can shortlist your resume for further process. Highlight your relevant experience in the resume so that ATS can extract your work experience, and it will boost your resume to shortlist for the further process. As I told, if possible, try to customize your summary or objectives as per the job requirements of the employers. Fourth step, enhancing resume with action verbs. In your resume, try to put some action verbs to enhance your resume quality. Here are some action verbs you can use. Showcase your accomplishments. If you've done any achievements in your career, you have to showcase, and use some technical skills or personal skills in your resume. Then use create a dynamic resume. That means what your resume should be engaging and interesting, and it should be demonstrate initiative, and it should be improve clarity. Fifth step, ensuring a polished resume or proofreading. Once the resume is ready, use any kind of spell checker to check the spelling of the resume to avoid the errors. Read aloud to avoid the grammatical errors and to avoid awkward phrasing. If possible, give your resume to your friends, colleagues, or any HRs you know. Then take the feedback from your colleagues or friends and incorporate that comments or feedbacks into your resume for better enhancement. Sixth step, keep it concise. Try to put your content in terms of bullet points to get more readability and better appearance. It is advisable to use white space rather than using different colors to have better appearance. Use relevant and true information in your resume to avoid further consequence. Use a professional design. Seventh step, use a professional design. It should be clean font choice. You can use Arial font size, Calibri font size, or you can use Times New Roman font size in your resume. And your resume should be consistent formatting. It should maintain uniform font size, spacing, and bullet points. And use a template as per the customization, using templates as a base but tailoring them to personal skill as per the requirement of the company. Try to prepare your customized template to get a more job opportunities. At the eighth step, save as a PDF. Once the resume is ready, then save it as a PDF, that is portable document format. Once the document or resume is saved in the PDF, then you give a copy to your friends, relative, or any senior person you know, and take the feedback from your seniors on your resume. Then incorporate all the comments or feedback which are given by your seniors to enhance your quality of the resume. Once the resume is ready, then you can send it to your employers. Or dear friends, if you want such a informative educational lecture videos, you can download my educational app Anveshana Academy. That too, mechanical engineering related lecture videos you can get in my app, that is Anveshana Academy. Best wishes for your dreams. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸುಗಳಿಗೆ ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಕೆಗಳು. If you want resume formats, you can share your email ID in comment box. I will share the formats what I am having. If you want further information on your resume preparation, you can contact me on my mobile number, that is 8050900743. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.